development of human capital through the education system is absolutely critical for Armenia to become globally competitive. Human capital is everything, talent is everything, and the framework that AUA provides to generate hundreds and thousands of amazing graduates with the top level of education, with the right level of Western influence, is exactly what the country needs.
I'm especially happy to be here today at AUA to witness the progress that AUA continues to make to empower the next generation of Armenia's leaders. That's what the Changemakers program is really all about. It's bringing these leaders together from various disciplines and various areas of expertise to help solve the pressing issues of Armenia.
I think one of the most exciting new developments that's in the future of AUA is the introduction of world-class research projects at AUA, which will involve the introduction of PhD programs across a range of disciplines. This is a very difficult and ambitious undertaking, but a very exciting one for the university.
Currently, I work on a few research projects at the College of Business and Economics, and almost all of my projects are done with students or alumni. So, for example, in one of those, we're working with the transactional business-to-business textual data, trying to unveil certain patterns. We hope that using natural language processing, we will be able to cluster the taxpayers and help the State Revenue Committee to improve their tax collection efforts. This initiative is financed by AFEAN Family Foundation, and it is vastly contributing to the development of research capacity at the American University of Armenia.
I am currently working with Dr. Baghdasaryan on research project, the main objective of which is to localize the educational materials for the Armenian context. Those research materials will be later used for educational purposes for courses such as microeconomics and research methods. As a recent BAB alumna, I believe that this is a great opportunity to get hands-on experience and also stay connected with academia. I hope to see more research opportunities at AUA, through which we can contribute to the scientific development of Armenia.
Enhancing research opportunities at AUA is vital for creating a knowledge-driven environment that encourages analytical thinking and evidence-based policymaking. By integrating real-world data and analysis into our educational frameworks, we aim to prepare our students to tackle Armenia's economic challenges with innovative solutions. This initiative is one example of fostering a more informed and proactive approach to Armenia's economic policymaking, potentially leading to sustainable growth and development.
AUA has a sort of miraculous presence. When you're acquainted with its history, you realize it's kind of amazing that it exists and it flourishes. It's come a very long way in the last 3 decades by virtue of the generosity of donors and the backbreaking work of hundreds of others. And it's time for it to move forward now, in part through new programming that responds to the needs of the nation. For example, through the growth of our College of Science and Engineering, through new programs in electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, aerospace engineering, subfields of medicine like medical imaging, or through a robust nursing program in our College of Health Sciences. Working more closely with industry, developing PhD programs that attract graduate students who are on the vanguard doing exciting, cutting-edge research and who then serve as teaching assistants or instructors for undergraduates who are in turn influenced and inspired by them. So these are some of the directions in which we could be growing. We're very excited about our new journalism program and the beautiful new media lab on campus. A graduate degree in education is imminent, which we hope will, by and by, change the face of education in Armenia from the ground up.
Increasing research opportunities at AUA is crucial in order to foster innovation and derive progress in various fields. By providing resources and supporting research projects, we can benefit Armenia's scientific landscape, economy, and healthcare sector.
It's important to hire the talent and the students from AUA because AUA provides an opportunity for the Armenian students to contribute locally but excel globally.
The biggest benefit of hiring talent from AUA is how indoctrinated they already are in their ability to work with global customers, especially for companies like us who have offices in Armenia but are based in America and serve customers globally. That's the right education, background, and perspective we need for them to be customer-facing day one.
Working at SADA gives you an experience that's kind of like working in Silicon Valley because you're directly working with Google. It's definitely a one-in-a-lifetime experience. It's a chance that you definitely shouldn't miss, because the path coming from SADA, it's a path that gives you reassurance about your career, because you're working with the best of the best when it comes to the IT industry.
Research is a topic that has come up often as far as the future of AUA is concerned. And although we started more as a teaching university, that's really important for the foundational tools. I think over the next number of years, hopefully the next decade, Armenia as a country, but certainly led by AUA, we hope, becomes a hub for research in this part of the world, and certainly due to its liaison with the Western teaching and research institutions.
The importance of donors can't be overstated. Even in very rich countries like the United States, and with very rich universities like Harvard and Princeton and so on, there is an enormous reliance on donor support in order to advance the educational and research needs of the university. And this is, of course, even more true in a country like Armenia, which doesn't have the resources of a big country like the United States. And so it's very important for both AUA alumni and Armenians in the diaspora to contribute to make possible the great advances that the university is making.
As an AUA changemaker, the change I would like to see in Armenia is a continued progress on infrastructure, on education, on sustainability, and the vision of becoming truly a global hub for technology talent. And we have a lot of potential in the region to really stand out, and we're making good progress, and we hope that it continues.